since nga kakabi ko lang ito kahapon. My room is a mess. Kaya ayun, maglilinis ako, and also yung table ko rin here is very not so clean. And yan yung mga clothes ko na kinuha ko siya doon sampayan. And look at my laman. Hindi siya malinis. Let's have some oatmeal. Ano ka sa ulan? Dito ko siya lulutuin, okay? I need some music to hype me up. Hype me up, pero yung song is The Apartment We Will Share. Hi guys. Ready ka ba? Umulan kasi. Hi. It's 29:48 and if you know watch the last vlog, I saw something in our fridge, and I guess tonight's the right time to give it. My grades are great, my scores, my midterms is passing rate, and I just got that grade. So parang napakasakit naman yun. I am heartbroken right now. I know I could do better. But ayun yan. Yun na yun talaga. I just know I deserve more. When I saw the result, I'm not satisfied with the result. Kaya I am super hurt. I am very heartbroken. I am so sad. I don't know what to feel. Hello. Nakatapos ko lang mag-dinner. This is my ulam, my favorite. And I am watching, Shanan! Paw Patrol, Mighty version. Alam mo yun, parang Encantadia. Pa yung mga brilyante kasi din. Alam nyo bang I didn't vlog the whole day because I just slept? Yes, nung araw na ako productive, tapos hindi na ako mapaglaba kasi tamad na ako, ganun. Good morning, guys. Look at that. I slept 3 a.m. in the morning kasi ang daming lamok. So, I put up this tent, which is originally, meron naman talagang tent yung room ko when yung dati niya pang placement ng bed. Pero ayan, I'm going to clean this up. Tomorrow is the day na babalik na ako sa aking dorm. Pero ngayon, meron akong ipapractice na look like everyday look. Ano bang inuuna? Alam nyo, disclaimer, hindi talaga ako ng makeup. So, ito naman yung inuuna kasi usually ginagamit ko ano ba, pulbo siya ka. So, hindi ko alam yung inuuna, concealer or foundation. Let's search. What comes first? Foundation or concealer? Okay, the answer. According to the most makeup experts, foundation should be applied before concealer. While the majority of the experts recommended applying a light layer of foundation before concealer. So foundation first before concealer. Just a light layer. We're gonna use this concealer from L'Oreal. Basta to siya. Tapos yung gagamitin ko is brush, hindi yung stamp kasi nawala. So for my lips, I usually use lip tints, but I have here Nichido Ultra Stay Matte Liquid and Sophia shade from G21 na lip tint, but I'm gonna use this one kasi for simple shot gamitin, while this one ginagamit ko siya paminsan. Ito yung shade, while the other one, pakita ko sa inyo yung shade ng lip. Matte siya. Ito yung shade ng lip tint. Ayan siya. So let's try this one. By the way, my mom went to Samal, and when she went home, she bought me this necklace, thanks to her. Ano to, pearl? So guys, ito yung setting ngayon ng aking bed. 9 na pala, and maglalagay ako ng 10 kasi hindi ako nakabili ng katol, so maglalagay na ako ng 10, and this is the last night that I will be sleeping here for now because I need to go back to my dorm. It's 9:36 and I'm fixing na mga gamit na dadalhin ko. Let's find out kung this is sweet or it has no taste. Failed, guys. It's not super red. Pangit ang lasa.